Hello and welcome all once again in this educational video. I am Jay Kumar. So in our previous video we have seen what is fishery, brief history of collection and preservation of fishes and some steps about the blue revolution. So student, in this video we will discuss about national fishery, policies of India, fishery programs and government established institutes to improve the Indian fishery. So let me start by national fishery policies of India. This national fishery policies of India having some silent features. In that, first is the exploitation of the Indian exclusive economic zone. Second is the empowering the traditional fishermen with modern mechanical boat. By providing mechanical boats to the fishermen, the fish collection is increased. Targeting the goal of 100% exploitation of marine resources. This is one of the very important silent feature. Targeting the goal of 100% exploitation of marine resources, targeting an increase in per capita consumption of fish, which is now about 8 kg per head per year in the present condition. We have to improve. This is about 11 kg per head per year. This is one of the feature. Then increasing fish production, promoting conservation of aquatic resources, which is very important. We have to conserve all the aquatic resources which is available, because when we conserve all these resources, automatically fish production is increased. Promoting fishing industries to generate more job opportunities and improving socio-economic condition of traditional fishermen. So we have to generate more and more job opportunities which is based on the fishery, and this can be takes place when the fish industries which is based on the fish production is increased. Promoting export of fish and fish production, the main reason behind that national fishery policies to increase the fish production, and automatically due to which the export of the fish is increased. Then next is the promotion of fishery education. It is also very important to provide to give the education of based on the fishery. Then is the rehabilitating the endangered species. We have to conserve all that endangered species, and reducing pollution load in water. Reducing pollution in water, because pollution harms the fish production very well. So we must check out this pollution time by time. Then these fishery programs having another thing, that is in 5-year plans, starting from 6th 5-year plan 1980 to 85 and 11th plan 5-year plan 2009 and 2014, large number of fisheries institutes and centers are recognized by the Ministry of Agriculture and Commerce. For freshwater aquaculture, Fishery Research Institute was recognized in 1985. 1985 was branched two institutes. One is the one institute, Central Inland Capture Fisheries Research Institute, that is CICFRI, for capture the fisheries. Then Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture, that is CIFA. Many other national institutes also have been recognized. In that, other national institutes like National Cold Water Fishery Research Institutes NCFRI, then Central Institutes for Brackish Water, then Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute CMFRI. These are some institutes which are also based on the fishery program for the improvement of the fishery. Some government established institutes like CMFRI, Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute, Cochin, Kerala, which undertakes research in all aspects of the marine fisheries. This fishery research and extension programs are carried out by 5 groups of organization mainly, that is ICAR, Ministry of Agriculture, the Ministry of Commerce, the Ministry of Food Processing Industries and CSIR, and also State Agricultural Department. Then next one, government established institute is the IFRI, Inland Fisheries Research Institutes, Barakpur, West Bengal, which deals with research on riverine, estuarine and lakestrine fisheries. Then next one is IIFT, Indian Institutes of Fisheries Technology, Cochin, Kerala. It deals with research on ideal crafts and post-harvest technologies. INTE, Institutes of Nautical Engineering and Technology, Cochin, Kerala. This trains personnel for operating fishing crafts and gears. IFPI, Integrated Fisheries Project of India, Mumbai. It concentrates on fishes, their biology and exploitation of fishing grounds. MPEDA, Marine Products Export Development Authority, Cochin, Kerala, for the overall development, regulation and control of seafood industry as related to the export, and some export inspection agencies, Cochin, Kerala, to maintain quality, hygiene, sanitation of product and inspection of processing plants and packaged products at export points. Besides the above organization, study of fish and fishery biology has been introduced to lakh tons. The remaining part of this topic will be discussed in the next video. So thank you for watching this video.